How you doing? Keith from Doobie's Custom Street Machines, Hudson, New Hampshire. You guessed it, today's day 5 of the 5-day bass knob giveaway. You know, as this week was coming, I was getting a little worried. How am I going to pull myself from the busy hustle and bustle of this shop to do a giveaway? And I've actually kind of enjoyed it, you know. It gives me something else to focus on and pull me away from the hustle and bustle. And, you know, anybody winning something for free is exciting, right? Plus, most importantly, most of these people that entered into this giveaway probably weren't going to purchase the product, but it allows them to get the product, get it in their hands, put it in their bike, and really feel the benefit of what it has to offer. So anyways, let's see who the winner is. The last one. Okay. Carl Covington. We'll be sending you out an HDBK too, bud. Thank you so much to everybody that registered. And congratulations to everybody that won the product. We're extremely proud about it. Nothing is worse than seeing a beautiful, beautifully built bike with a janky ass bass knob screwed into a tour pack or a fairing or something like that. It's almost like you gave up on the last part. It's somewhat like some of these cars out there. It's got a beautiful paint job, but don't open the hood and don't open the doors and do not put it on a lift. Some of the stuff I see is just absolutely atrocious. Again, when I watch a lot of these videos, there's a lot of beautiful bikes out there and they sound amazing. Why give up on a factory form fit and function part? To me, it just doesn't make sense, but whatever, to each in their own. But again, like I said, to people that wouldn't have purchased it, I'm extremely excited to get it in their hands so they can benefit from the product and really appreciate it. And speaking about appreciation, I appreciate you. And I most importantly appreciate all our trusted dealers. Without you guys, I couldn't do this alone. You know who you are. Thank you so much. You really, really helped me out with this. Thank you.